Alright, here we go then. So, I was told, my mate said, stick the battery back on. So, he said that should give you power straight away. Right, and he said you shouldn't have to wait any time for any of the other bits to come through, because once you've got power, you've got power. So, here we go. One, let's hope the car, well, just a second, will I shut the bonnet? I fancy shut the bonnet. Yeah, why not? I'll shut it. And then put it in, stick the key on. Come on, please work. Right, and then I suppose we just turn it. So I put it between my legs. Here we go, what's it going to do? Right, so the car's on. Have power steering checks, see handbook. So this is the usual checks. This is to see if anything's broken, right? VDC unavailable, see handbook. So obviously I'd need to do those things. So, but then let's be honest, that'll probably be alright. Let's try the fan. Oh gosh. Ah, yes! It's working, yes! Yes! So, yes! So, here we go. We have a fan, we have warmth, we have a car with heat. Yes! Please tell me it's working. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it's working fine. Oh, phenomenal. So now all we need to do then, is the steering lock thing, I guess, to the left. Is it all the way to the left and all the way to the right? So, can I do that just now? I think I can. Right, I'll have a go at that. So it's all the way to, oh gosh, I can't even steer it. I cannot steer it, it's got two hands. Leave me be, I'll try and do that, I'll switch it back. The steering wheel feels a bit stiff. So, and it's coming up with these messages. Hill holder unavailable, see handbook. VDC unavailable, see handbook. And a few other things. So I wonder whether I've put that bit in wrong. Well, I was really worried because it came up VDC unavailable, hill holder, and I remembered it was supposed to be power steering, and I tried to steer the steering wheel slightly and it just wouldn't move, and it wouldn't move to the left and right, and it was just a little bit, only went as far as there, and I thought, oh no, this is an absolute disaster. I remembered, of course, that you were supposed to turn it once to the left, then once to the right, once to the left, once to the right, and then back to the middle, but I couldn't even move it at all, so I was scared I was going to break it. And then I then thought, well, wait up, it hasn't even got any power on it, I've probably not switched it on, so I turned the ignition on, and then it was all loose and fine, and could do the left, right, and left, so all the messages have gone. I'm getting sweating in here, getting hot, and the heater's working, so we have succeeded. So, brilliant, good luck, hope the rest of you can do it too.